I'm going to show you how I personally like to install EVA foam on these plastic boats. If you follow these steps, you should have no problem with your EVA foam. And if you do, repeat the steps, and once you do it right, it should work out just fine. Step one, I've got 220 grit sandpaper right here. Now this is optional in my opinion, but it always helps for adhesion to kind of scuff some surfaces up, let them bind a little bit. So that way it's just not smooth plastic. Next, I like to take some isopropyl alcohol and ideally a microfiber cloth, but I've got some paper towels, and just clean your surfaces. It's very important that there is nothing at all, no dust or anything in between the sticky foam and the plastic. Whoa, I'm sliding. Whoa. It looked very clean, but as you can tell, there is clearly a layer of dirt on the surface. Now, aside from properly prepping your surface, this is arguably the most important step you could possibly do. A lot of these foams don't have the best backing. You're gonna have to spend, $150, almost $200 per small sheet of that HydroTurf if you really want stuff to just stick on their own. But really, anything else, you're gonna want some help from any sort of spray adhesive. I just have the Gorilla Spray adhesive. Really, anything will work. It just needs an extra layer of help. Now, what you wanna do with all of these is shake well and give it a nice light coat, especially on the corners. You need to wait about a minute. It's not quite tacky yet. You want to wait until it's tacky to the touch. Sometimes that could take about a minute. Waiting. All right, oh yeah, it's tacky. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, sometimes it takes a whole minute, but you want to wait till it's tacky to the touch, then it's ready to be stuck onto. Oh yeah, try not to do that. Try not to get the entire thing stuck to your clothes. Oh, or your hands. This is not going well. Oh great. Oh great. Oh. Okay, now all you need to do is carefully stick it on. This is my least favorite part. I am the worst at this part. Okay. Because once you place it, if you've prepped it right and you've sprayed it with plenty of adhesive, you're not going to be able to adjust it much. Okay, this is looking good. Nice and tight. Yeah, mine's not exactly centered, but it's going to have to be good enough. Yeah, I didn't do a very good job. But it's certainly good enough. Well, folks, rest assured, if you didn't do a very good job sticking these down, I didn't either. I've foamed like, I don't even know how many boats at this point, and I still can't even place them right. It's not terrible. That's actually pretty decent. And there you go. Perfectly foamed. Those things were curling up really bad from the box, and you don't even see a single corner sticking up. So if you do it right, they'll stay on there for a long time. In fact, this boat has our other colorway on it, and these have been on there, and if you've seen the channel, they have been absolutely abused. They've been on there for like 2 years.
Here's some additional tips for the EVA foam. Amazon has great middle-of-the-road foam that's not too cheap, but it's not the ultra-expensive high-end HydroTurf style stuff. I will link below my favorite Amazon foam for top surfaces like shown in this video, but for flooring, like my floor in this boat and the flooring on my deck, I much prefer higher quality HydroTurf as it's significantly more durable and sticky, and it's actually designed for walking on and taking on a lot of abuse. If you're looking to foam these plastic boats, check out my store as I actually sell Prowler 10 and 12 templates for EVA foam so you can place them down and trace around your foam. But I also sell full peel and stick, plug and play EVA foam kits for most plastic 12-foot John boats if you're just looking for an easy 10-minute done-for-you solution. I'll attach the links and all the relevant discount codes in the description of this video. Tight lines, and God bless.